Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today guys, I'm gonna be making cornmeal pudding, and the most exciting part about making this cornmeal pudding, I'm not even gonna put it in my oven. I am gonna put it outside on my charcoal grill in my Dutch pot. So for the recipe, we're gonna be using half a cup of flour, and here I have 3 cups of cornmeal, and to that I am going to add my mixture, my coconut mixture. But before I add it in my coconut mixture, my coconut milk, I'm going to be adding 2 cups of sugar. Okay, and I am going to make that sugar dissolve. And guys, you can taste it to see if it's sweet enough, if it's too sweet. Don't be afraid to taste it. Okay? Okay. So now I am going to add to my cornmeal mix. Mix this up a bit. So I'm going to combine the cornmeal and the flour together. And to this, I'm going to add 6 cups of that coconut mixture. Okay. This is a 2-cup container, so I'm going to be adding 3 of this cup. So that's 4. And this is 2. That's 6. Now I'm going to slowly combine it together until all the lumps from the cornmeal and the flour is dissolved. And if your spoon is not getting rid of the lumps, you can use a whisk, and that will help you to remove those cornmeal and flour lumps. Okay. So to this, I am going to add, here I have 1 teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of cinnamon powder, a teaspoon of cake spice, and a teaspoon of nutmeg. So I'm going to add this to my mixture. Again, I'm going to mix until it's dissolved. And you can add raisins, it's optional, to this mixture if you would like. For me, I do not like raisins in my cornmeal pudding, so I will not be putting raisins. And to this mixture, I'm also going to add 1 stick of butter that I melted. Okay, that's my stick of melted butter. Also going to add 1 tablespoon of vanilla and 1 teaspoon of almond extract. Okay, so our mixture is ready to go. Okay, so everything is combined perfectly. Again, here's my Jamaican Dutch pot that is nicely greased. I am going to pour my mixture into my Jamaican Dutch pot. Okay, so you want to make sure your mixture So I'm going to set this aside for a little bit, and I want to show you guys something. So here I have about another cup or so of the extra coconut milk. I'm going to show you guys later what I'm going to do with this extra milk that I have here. Okay, so it's about a cup of milk with sweetened, has cinnamon spice, and it has nutmeg. And like I said, I'm going to come back and show you guys later what I do with this milk here. Okay, so I'm gonna run outside. I'm gonna check on my stove. I'm gonna make sure that it's ready for me to put the pot, and then I'm gonna bring you guys outside, and then I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna finish this cornmeal pudding. Hey guys, welcome back. So my charcoal is ready. I'm gonna now put my Dutch pot on my charcoal, and I'll be right back to show you guys what it looks like. Stay tuned. Hey guys, so who know the slang for this? Fire top, fire bottom, hallelujah in the middle. Alright guys, so this is my cornmeal pudding that I'm doing outdoor on my charcoal. See you guys soon. Hey guys, welcome back. So my cornmeal pudding is complete. It's about 2 hours since I started the whole process. About two and a half hours roughly. Okay, so now I'm gonna wait for it to cool, then I'm gonna cut it and show you guys what it looks like. So remember that extra coconut milk that I had? So halfway in, once the top starting to get firm, I pour it, and this is how I have this fluffy consistency. Again, I'm gonna wait for it to cool, and then I'll cut a slice and then let you guys see what it looks like. It smells really good. Alright, stay tuned.